To navigate through a PinPoint project, hold down the right mouse button and move your mouse. After opening, your project will be rotated around the center of gravity of the model. The active rotation point is located in the center of the shown scene. Right double-click on a scan icon to navigate to that scan position. You can now move through your object scan by scan. Alternatively, you can focus on surfaces or scan points. To do this, simply double-click on the relevant position with the right mouse button. PinPoint will instantly navigate you in the direction you clicked. Please make sure that the rotation mode now changes. The object is now rotated around the clicked point. This mode is particularly useful when you want to model details. You can change the display mode at any time. Simply press the R key on your keyboard. The change of mode is also confirmed below in the status bar of the software. Hold down the Control key and the right mouse button to move the model. Alternatively, you can use the middle mouse button for this. Zoom. You have probably already noticed that you can zoom in and out of the model with the mouse wheel. We would like to point out two additional options here. If you hold down the Shift key and the right mouse button, you zoom in and out of the model by moving the mouse. This zoom function is much faster than the mouse wheel. Another zoom function can be implemented with the spacebar. For example, if you are in a room and have modeled the floor plan, you can switch directly to the bird's eye view by pressing the spacebar. This function provides a much better overview, especially for larger projects. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please support us by rating our tutorials. And should you be missing a function in PinPoint, use the PinPoint wish list and influence the development of future functions. We have summarized all links for you under the video. Many thanks. Your Scanner2GO team.